Join us as we successfully deliver this charcoal powered oven to one of our clients at Magodo here in Lagos State, Nigeria. This was around to 7 very early in the morning on the second day of February 2025. And on this day it was it was raining. So it was raining, but we had no choice than to still deliver. So this comes in 10 trays, and the person that requested for this particular oven insisted that I should make it charcoal. So this is charcoal powered, and it comes in 10 trays, and it is double the size of the regular ones we do construct before. This is double in size, and this one is strictly charcoal powered. And take note, our ovens are not only restricted to only catfish. You can use this oven to smoke other things like meat, your chicken, your cow. You can use our oven to smoke other things aside from the fish, you understand. So we have other sizes of this oven. We have the one that comes in 5 trays. That one is gas powered. In case you want that one in charcoal powered as well, you can make your intentions known. This right here is 10 trays. If you want this to be in 5 trays as well, we can construct it to be in 5 trays. We construct according to customers specification. We construct what you want for you. Like I said, the owner of this one actually insisted on we making it charcoal. If you want it to come in form of gas, you want to be using gas to power this oven, we can construct it to be in form of gas. And we have various sizes. Like I said, we have the ones that are bigger than this, we have the ones that are still way smaller than this, depending on your budget. Let us know your budget and we can work with what you have with you. This comes in 2 doors. So in case you are interested in something like this, you can always give us a call or send us a WhatsApp message. Our DM are open, our lines are going through. Destination once again is not a barrier. No matter where you are, we can construct this and send it over to you, or you can come in and pick it up yourself, depending on how convenient it would be for you. So that will be that for today. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to share this video. Do enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.